So what's up, guys? I'm back, and today I wanted to make a mini project for with together. So what we will be doing here. So hey guys, today we will be doing the very short program of guess the number, and this will cover everything that we have learned so far. All and let's without wasting time, let's start this. Okay, so I have my IDE open here. I have uh, my Python shell open here. So what we will do is So before before starting up, I will just do usr slash bin slash python 3, right? Okay. Now, what game will be like? So the game will be like you will ask user for an input, right? And there will be a secret number. So if a user gives the wrong input or the wrong answer, the game will again ask him to give you the answer until it's the right answer. But okay, so we will just write our instructions here. So it will be like uh, we'll be like start with question, right? And start 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 with a question. Okay. I will say, so let's start from here. So set a secret number, then set a secret number, and then ask for user input, check user input, and then return uh, if not right answer, ask for input again, and then if right answer, say congrats. Okay. So we will take that one by one. So it says set a secret number. Here we are going to set a secret number. So what we will do, we will use a library which is called import random. We will use random library, so we will generate some random numbers for a user to understand, and then we will set a secret number. So sec underscore num is equals to random. Random is my library, and random integer, which is rand int, and I would say between 1 to 10. I will just not make it too big questionnaire sort of. Okay, so this is rand int and random number. Then I will say print. I will start initialize the question, right? I will say print I am thinking of a number, right? And now this is my first part, right? And the second part is ask for user input. So first we will say there will be something called a guess number, right? So for guess underscore num, we will say guess underscore num in range, which is my range, right? And I said, so I will ask it on. I will let the user do it for only 4 times, right, or 5 times or 6 times. So here I'm saying only user will be able to answer 5 times, right? Right, and so we will say for guess num or guess num equals to guess, instead of guess we will just use chances in range 1 to 5 between. I will just give you 5 or five times of that at the best. I will just use 6. Okay. Now I want to print first take a guess. then I will say, I will ask for the input. Guess equals to input, right? First I will say int, it will be an integer, so I will say int of input, right? Okay, so this ends our first second value body. Okay, now so we are still going here, right? And then we will do the guessing part. So I say if this way, tab it here, okay, and okay. Now I will check for input. So if guess is less than secret underscore num, right? What to do? I will say print guess num is too small, right? Right? And now if I say and if guess is equal to sec underscore num, I will say I will just copy paste and change. Number is Julie, right? Now the last condition would be if all of this is false and last condition comes to be true, I would say true. I will just break it here, right? What I'm saying, I'm just doing this part here, right? Now this will break over here if guess number is too big. Now I will do another condition. I will say if the guess value is equals to set underscore num, because I have to check again, right? Here I'm checking for the chances, and I'm just looking here, right? I'm breaking it after a few times. If this goes off, right? If this whole thing goes off at the point that all the chances he failed, right? And so I will do if secret number is equals to, if guess equals to secret number, our secret number. So I will say print congrats, you guessed it, right? I forgot to close. And then I will do an else again. Why I'm doing else again is I will say print. I will tell, okay, the number, if finally the number is, no, the number was, then I will just say please str, not str, I'll just say str of secret underscore number, yes, right, because I want to show what number was, right? I'm just converting it to string. Oh, I can just put it down here, right? Okay, this is the number and this is how it goes, right? Now I will just save it, and I think I have to save it here. So I will say and tutorials, guess the number. Okay. I'll just save it here, and I will. So this is. So this say congrats here. So this is what we are doing here, right? And as for the input, again, this is the part which is coming over and over again here. Okay. Now we will just save it and we will run the function, and let's see how it goes. Okay. I think there is a problem. Guess in oh, I'm sorry, and for this part of this, I'm not doing this just to make sure that if you face any issues like this, people will be able to do that. So I will say 5. I will say 10. I will say 6. I will say 4. Again 3, oh, number is too small. So no, the number was 8. What is happening here is I took 5 guesses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after 5 guesses, the user was totally wrong. So I said, okay, your guess was wrong. So I terminate the program just here, right here, before this, because I went ahead for a few chances, right here, and for 5 chances, I'll give you the 5 guess chances, and over here, I will just say, okay, I break it over here, right? And at the end, I'll just put this number. So just if you guys are trying to do it using this same number, please note this will change again and again. If you just want to make sure that this value is right, your program is working right, what you can do is you can just mm, copy it here and save it some. I mean, just you can just modify the program and say this, right? And you can say this, right? And save it. And instead of doing this, I will say number 8, right? And I will just do it again. I restarted it. I say 5. Sorry. I say no. Sorry, 5. I will say 5. And it says 5 is too small. I say 6. 6 is too small. I say 8. Congrats, you guessed it, right? Okay. So this is how we will build a simple number guessing program. So feel free to modify it. Feel free to try it again. I will post this on my GitHub account, so you guys can check it out, right? So in the next chapter, we will be revisiting this list again, and in the list we will do some more, deep dive and take on most of the list challenges. Okay, and there are a lot of things that we have not covered in list, but we will cover in the next part, which is list, right? So I hope you guys and you are enjoying it, and if you do, please like, subscribe, and share. So I will see you next time. Till then, goodbye.